Hello, children. Which letter shall we learn today? Let us learn the letter H sound. H is happy, helpful, and bright to see. Come and learn the letter H with me. H says, ha, ha, ha. Can you say, ha, ha, ha? Ha, ha, hat on your head. Ha, ha, horse riding ahead. Ha, ha, helicopter flying high. Ha, ha, house reaching to the sky. Clap your hands and tap your knee. Now say it loud, the letter H with me. Ha, ha, ha. Happy you. H is helpful, healthy, and bright like you. Parents, pause for a minute and ask your child which letter starts with H.